If you want a fast and easy way to make clean selections in Photopea, the Quick Selection tool is one of the best tools to learn. It's perfect for isolating people, objects, products, or even complicated edges like hair and fur. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Quick Selection in Photopea step by step so you can make accurate selections much faster. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photopea and editing tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You'll need to find the Magic Wand tool group, which is usually the fourth tool down. If you don't immediately see Quick Selection, just right-click on the Magic Wand icon. A small menu will appear, and from there, choose Quick Selection. You can also press W on your keyboard to activate the wand tools, and if needed, press Shift plus W to cycle through the different options until Quick Selection is selected. Once the tool is active, take a look at the top options bar. This is where you can control how your brush behaves before you start painting your selection. One of the most important settings is brush size. If your brush is too large, it can grab too much of the image. If it's too small, selection will take longer. The easiest way to adjust it quickly is with your keyboard. Press the left bracket key to make the brush smaller and press the right bracket key to make it bigger. This is a really useful shortcut because it lets you stay focused on your selection instead of constantly opening menus. You'll also see selection mode options in the top bar. These modes control how the selection builds as you work. Replace is the default mode, and it makes a single selection as you paint. Unite, usually shown with a plus symbol, lets you add more areas to the current selection. Subtract, shown with a minus symbol, removes areas from the selection. These options are especially helpful when your selection needs a little bit of manual correction. If you are working on a detailed subject, switching between add and subtract can save a lot of time and help you keep the selection clean. Now, it's time to actually paint your selection. Click and drag over the subject you want to isolate. As you move the brush, Photopea will automatically expand the selection border, often called the marching ants, to match similar colors and textures. Try to move slowly and carefully, especially around edges where the subject meets the background. The tool works by detecting contrast and color differences, so if you guide it around the object properly, it can create a very accurate selection in just a few seconds. If the brush accidentally grabs too much of the background, don't worry. That happens all the time, especially when the subject and background have similar tones. To fix it, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then paint over the unwanted area. This tells Photopea to remove that section from the selection instead of adding it. This subtracting step is one of the most useful parts of the Quick Selection tool because it lets you refine the result as you go instead of starting over from scratch. Keep alternating between adding and subtracting until the selection looks right. The goal is to make the subject as clean as possible while avoiding unnecessary background areas. If you are selecting something simple, like a person against a plain backdrop, you may be done very quickly, but if you are working on more complex images, it's worth spending a little extra time to get a better result. A clean selection will make every next step in your edit look more professional. If you're selecting hair, fur, clothing edges, or anything semi-transparent, you may want to fine-tune the selection even more. Once your selection is active, look for the Refine Edge button in the top options bar. This opens tools that help you improve tricky edges and make the selection feel more natural. Inside the Refine workspace, you can use the white brush to mark what you want to keep, the black brush to mark what you want to remove, and the grey brush for soft areas like stray hairs or wispy details. This is especially useful when you want a cutout that looks realistic instead of rough or jagged. Take your time in the Refine view and zoom in if needed. Check the preview on the right side carefully so you can see whether the edges are smooth and accurate. Once the selection looks crisp and balanced, click OK to apply the changes. At that point, you'll have a much cleaner selection that's ready for masking, copying, deleting the background, or any other edit you want to do next. And that's the full process for using Quick Selection in Photopea. To recap, choose the tool from the Magic Wand group, adjust your brush size with the bracket keys, use Replace, Unite, and Subtract modes to control your selection, paint over the subject, and then refine the edges if needed. Once you get comfortable with it, this tool can save you a huge amount of time on almost any editing project. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.